Welcome back, trainers. Today, I'm sharing a step-by-step guide to using the Pokémon GO Spoofer. This powerful tool lets you teleport, use a joystick for movement, and catch rare Pokémon, all without needing a computer. It's fully updated for 2025 and works on both iOS and Android. Let's get started. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always use tools responsibly and in accordance with Pokémon GO's terms of service to ensure fair gameplay for everyone. Key features of the Pokémon GO Spoofer: change location to explore regions around the world from home. Catch rare and exclusive Pokémon that are locked to specific areas. Join raid battles in any location and earn rewards. Use Pokestops and gyms anywhere to collect resources. Move freely with the joystick feature, making navigation seamless. How to install the Spoofer: open any browser, such as Chrome or Safari. Visit rxgem.com. Use the search bar to find Pokémon GO Spoofer and click the Download Now button. During installation, you will be asked to download and use 2 additional apps. These are required to complete the process. Select 2 apps you do not already have installed and follow their instructions. After completing this step, the Spoofer will be ready for use. Stick to one major location change every 24 hours for added safety. Use the joystick for realistic movements instead of frequent teleporting. Always follow Pokémon GO's guidelines to keep your account secure. Once installed, launch Pokémon GO to access the new features. Teleport to any location and explore areas you've never visited. Use the joystick to navigate without needing to leave your home. With the Pokémon GO Spoofer installed, you can enhance your gameplay and explore Pokémon GO like never before. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more guides, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts or questions. Thanks for watching and happy spoofing.